Using percents in the real world. Finding just the percent sometimes isn't enough. So what we did yesterday with the percent proportion, sometimes that just isn't enough. Sometimes you have to do multiple things to get to the answer. Because in real life, when we do percents, we encounter a percent like paying tax. You ever been to the Dollar Tree? Everything's $1, right? So if I buy 10 things, it doesn't cost me $10 because of tax. Tax. Does tax make things more expensive or less expensive? So when you find tax, you have to add that number back in. Sometimes in life, you encounter things and they are on sale. Does an item on sale make things more expensive or less expensive? So we subtract that answer if it's on sale. Same thing if I say if you have a friend or a family member that works somewhere and you have a friends and family discount. Does a discount make things more expensive or less expensive? Less, so we subtract that money out. If you grow up and you decide you want to own your own store, my sister-in-law owns a children's clothing store. When she buys things to sell in her store, she has to then do a markup. If she buys a shirt at $15, does she sell it for $15? No, she marks it up. She makes it more expensive, so she makes a profit. If you eat at a restaurant, there's this thing called a tip. Do tips make things more expensive or less expensive? So we add tip in. And there's this other thing called a commission. And a commission rate is like a salesman at Nebraska Furniture Mart. Work on commission. Right? If I'm paying commission, I'm paying them some extra money. So commission also gets added in. Now we don't encounter a lot of commission, so I'm going to kind of put this whole thing in parentheses because there are other problems that we encounter that we have to subtract out commission. So commission's kind of a bubble. We won't see any of those today, but you need to know what commission means. Commission means it's extra money that you're paying on an item. So let's practice. Are you ready? 3 practice problems. At Target, you spent $205.47. I've been adding it up on my calculator on my phone as I've been going. This is how much money I'm spending. That's how much stuff I have in my cart. But when I get to the front and I'm starting to pay, I remember that there's sales tax. And sales tax is 8.34%. I wasn't counting on sales tax. I only have $250. I hope I have enough. I've been really good. I counted. This is how much money I'm spending, but I forgot about sales tax. What is the final bill? So we're going to do what we did yesterday. We're going to use our percent proportion. We're going to set up the problem. We're going to solve it. But that's not enough. If I look, that's how much I'm spending. And here's my percent, right? I've got my two numbers. So when I set up my proportion, $205.47 and 8.34%. I know where these numbers belong. My total amount goes on the bottom. Here's my percent, and it's always over 100. It should go on top right here. X. All right, so we cross multiply. $205.47 times 8.34. What should I put down? Because this is money. $1,713 and what? 62 cents, because money is always in hundredths. Equals, what's X times 100? Divide by 100. $13.62 divided by 100. What should I put? $17.14. That's how much I pay? I only have to pay $17.14? I have to take this answer now, real world problems, I have to take that percent and add it in. Because tax gets added. Tax makes it bigger. So $205.47 plus $17.14. What's my bill? $222.61. Do I have enough money if I had $250? Let's do another one. You're at Red Lobster, and you have a bill of $78.72. That's included tax. That's how much you're going to pay. But before you get up and leave, you think, oh man, I should tip. I should leave a tip. You tip 15%. It wasn't fantastic, so you're not leaving 20. You should, but you're stingy. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, always be kind to waiters and waitresses. They are with your food unsupervised. Think about it. $78.72, 15%, so let's set it up. $78.72 is my denominator. 15 over 100 for percent. My numerator is X, so here we go. $78.72 times 15. $78.72 times 15. 72 times 15. Oops. $1,180.8 equals X times 100? 100x. Divide by 100. What should I write? $11.81, because money needs to round up, right? That's my answer? You add that to my beginning total. That's how much I leave as a tip. $78.72 plus $11.81. What? Huh? 78.72 plus 11.81. $90.53. Is that right? So you just put 1 instead of 11? All right, last one. A pair of boots cost $132. But they are on sale for 33% off. Find the total. So again, we have our two values. A pair of boots costs $132, and they're on sale for 33% off. So we're going to set up our proportion. Same way we have been. 132 is the price, and it's 33 over 100. $132 times 33 $132 times 132 times 33 $4,356 equals, what's X times 100? Do you see a pattern with that? Divide by 100. X equals $43.56. Man, that's a good deal. That's how much I'm saving. So we have to go back in 132 minus what is it? 43.56. $132 minus 43.56. $88.44. So sometimes your problem is done there. There's sometimes tricky problems that they do all of this. They say, what's the sale price? $88.44. And then they say, oh, by the way, now find tax. So then you have to take this answer and do the tax with it. We don't have any of those today. You're welcome. So ladies and gentlemen, these are multi-step problems. You set up the proportion, find the answer, and then you either add that answer in or subtract, depending on the type of work.